Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, sorry for the delay in uploading daily videos in our channel. Today in this video we are going to repair a 50-inch Impex LED TV that comes with backlight fault sound okay no display problem. So friends, here there are total 5 LED backlight strips. Here we are going to replace the entire backlights with new one to avoid future repetition in same fault, and here actually only one backlight strip is showing shorting. But we are going to replace the entire backlights. These are the new backlights, so let's install the new backlights and fix the panel diffuser sheets, panel frame and panel everything back to TV. See friends, now the work is done finally. Now connect all sockets and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is started working back to normal. So that's it, hope you like it. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.